Hi guys! Today we are talking about passive income streams, what it is and why everybody should have multiple passive income streams. So stay with us, and by the end of the video, you might find your passive source of income. But before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button to know when a new video is released. If you did this, let's get started. Before we jump into why passive income benefits you, let's talk about what it is. Passive income is a stream of money that can be attained with little effort. It's the direct opposite of active income, which requires you to trade your time for money. If you're not working, you're not earning. Now with passive income, although you need to put in the effort initially to create these streams of income, once they are established, you will receive the benefits long after work you have done is completed. So why everybody should have multiple passive income streams? Let's see. Number 1. Passive income gives you freedom. How? Time is far more valuable than money. Having the time to spend moments with your children, loved ones, and family is something we all dream of. While money helps, it can't buy us these moments, and active working takes time away from those experiences. This is why passive income is so sought after. It allows you the freedom to enjoy life at the moment. The stress about making it to work on time or keeping your job is lessened because there is a long-term income stream that gives you stability. When you're less stressed about the necessity to earn money, you are given more freedom. Passive income also helps solve anxieties surrounding long-term goals such as retirement funds, which is the source of most stress in the USA. It's a fantastic way to free your mind of financial worries and live comfortably without concern. Number 2. Passive income gives location and career independence. For many people, passive income has allowed them to work and live wherever they want. This is a luxury to most, as our location is dependent on our careers. With passive income, however, your money can come from revenues that aren't dependent on you actively being at your job. It's also common for multiple income streams to become easier once you have set up a main passive income. This means you can continue to earn while increasing your freedom. Number 3. Income security. If recent events prove anything, it is that one stream of income, especially if it comes in the form of a day job, is unreliable and unsustainable. During the pandemic, around 63% of Americans have been living paycheck to paycheck with minimal savings. Moreover, because of the drastic unemployment, it is clear that every individual must have multiple streams of income. Having investments and other forms of passive income is the best bet for security purposes. Additionally, an individual can also have multiple jobs even if one is low effort and lower income. It allows the individual to fall back on this income in crisis. Number 4. Net worth. Net worth is incredibly important as it showcases financial freedom. Over the years, it has been proven that if one starts investing early on, there are greater chances to reach a higher net worth. Moreover, with the rise of digital careers, influencers, for example, have already begun to maximize their net worth. The new generation is quick to learn, and with so many platforms offering penny stocks and educating them on investments, it has become much easier to begin increasing the net worth. Gen Zs are proof that even with minimal online education, one can start day trading and accumulating a greater wealth. Because of the pandemic, much of the younger generation has also learned the importance of saving and has opened retirement accounts to maximize their income. Overall, the importance of multiple income streams has been made more apparent during the pandemic. With more people understanding the necessity of savings, more also realize that one job is simply not enough to sustain their lifestyles. As such, early planning to begin creating financial freedom is essential to excel in life. We hope you have now understood the importance of passive income and why it is important to have multiple sources of income. Everyone wants a better life and more free time. This is exactly what a passive source of income will provide you with. So what do you say? Are you thinking about this, or do you already have your passive earnings? Share with us your experience or opinion in the comments. We hope you haven't forgotten to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Think a little more about the multiple passive income streams and meet you soon.